Imagine having all your essential driving data, speed, RPM, fuel consumption, and even fatigue alerts displayed right in your line of sight without ever taking your eyes off the road. That's the power of a high-quality head-up display. Whether you're looking for a sleek, data-packed option or a simple, no-frills speedometer projection, I've rounded up the best HUDs on the market. From cutting-edge OBD2 models to universal GPS-compatible displays, these devices enhance safety, convenience, and overall driving experience. Let's dive into the top picks that will transform the way you drive. Number 1 is SinoTrack Universal Heads-Up Display. The SinoTrack HUD features a large 5.5-inch display that shows multiple driving metrics simultaneously, including speed, direction, driving time, and satellite connection status. Its standout safety features include overspeed alerts and fatigue driving reminders after 4 hours of continuous operation. The automatic light-sensitive screen adjusts brightness for optimal visibility in all conditions, while the dual-core processor ensures smooth performance with minimal data delay. However, it doesn't retain mileage data when powered off and may reduce brightness if the rear sensor is obstructed. The simple USB connection makes installation easy, though the display is projected on the unit itself rather than the windshield. Number 2 is ACECAR GPS Heads-Up Display. ACECAR's HUD offers real-time GPS speed tracking with 6 customizable display colors and a built-in compass for directional guidance. The system provides 2 important safety alerts: configurable speeding warnings and fatigue driving reminders after 4 hours. Its GPS plus Beidou dual-mode chip ensures broad compatibility across vehicles, and the automatic brightness adjustment works well for day-night driving. The plug-and-play USB installation makes setup simple, though like the SinoTrack, it doesn't project onto the windshield but rather uses its own display screen. Number 3 is Wiiyii Car Head-Up Display. The Wiiyii system offers dual-mode operation, OBD2 for post-2008 vehicles and GPS mode for universal compatibility, with projection onto the windshield. It displays comprehensive data including speed, water temperature, voltage, and driving distance with configurable alarms for each parameter. The automatic brightness adjustment and unit customization are useful features. However, OBD2 mode has significant compatibility limitations. It doesn't work with electric vehicles, diesel vehicles, pickup trucks, RVs, or computer-modified vehicles. The GPS mode serves as a fallback, but with reduced functionality. Number 4 is Qians X60 OBD Heads-Up Display. The Qians X60 stands out with its advanced 32-bit ARM Cortex-M3 processor and comprehensive vehicle monitoring capabilities. Particularly valuable for vehicles lacking built-in gauges, it provides real-time data on water temperature, speed, and fuel consumption, along with important safety warnings, overheating, speeding, gear shift reminders. Its ability to read and clear OBD2 engine fault codes adds diagnostic functionality. The installation is straightforward via the OBD2 port, though like the Wiiyii, it has compatibility limitations with certain vehicle types. Number 5 is ACECAR 3.5-inch HUD. This device, equipped with a high-clarity nanotechnology projector, it ensures sharp, glare-free visuals regardless of lighting conditions. The automatic brightness adjustment makes it adaptable to both day and night driving. Additionally, its dual system compatibility allows it to function with OBD2 for most vehicles after 2008, while GPS mode ensures usability across all vehicles. With multiple color themes and customizable display options, the Car HUD delivers a futuristic and functional driving experience. Number 6 is Liiiyuan head-up display. This display takes things a step further by incorporating an advanced OBD display function that not only shows speed and RPM, but also provides data on fuel consumption, oil temperature, and turbo pressure. Its GPS capabilities add valuable features such as satellite time, altitude, and driving direction, making it a highly versatile choice for drivers who rely on precise navigation and vehicle diagnostics. What makes this model even more appealing is its 4 alarm functions, including overspeed, high water temperature, and low voltage warnings, ensuring a safer and more informed drive. The transparent reflective panel offers a clear, ghost-free display that enhances readability. Number 7 is Qfansi Car Head-Up Display. For those seeking a user-friendly and universal option, the Qfansi Car Head-Up Display is an excellent contender. Unlike OBD-based models, this unit utilizes GPS and Beidou dual-mode chips for seamless functionality across all vehicles. The simple installation process allows users to mount it on the dashboard or directly onto the windshield with an adjustable bracket. With real-time data such as speed, altitude, latitude, and longitude, it serves as a compact yet powerful driving companion. Its built-in alarm functions, including speed warnings and fatigue reminders, contribute to safer driving experiences. Additionally, its quick, refreshing display ensures there is no lag, providing accurate and timely data. Number 8 is Veesa Universal Car Head-Up Display. It combines a modern design with premium functionality. Its GPS-powered system provides instant and accurate speed readings, eliminating any dependency on the car's engine. This makes it universally compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including cars, trucks, SUVs, and even motorcycles. The HD data display is equipped with an automatic light-sensitive screen, adjusting brightness for optimal visibility in various lighting conditions. Its additional safety features, including fatigue driving reminders and speed alarms, further enhance its usability. The Veesa G4S model is particularly suited for long drives, as it flickers and alerts drivers when it's time to take a break. With a sleek, high-tech look and a reliable performance, it is an excellent investment for drivers looking to modernize their dashboards with cutting-edge technology.